wo be pre akonwa no na wonim challenges e wo and na one so as penia waba ami ato so ba se wo ye MP se wo ye president se wo hunu se before se ye beto aba ma no constituency wo no ye team no ye nim problem nti a ye kan se bra enye de obeka kire ye nko nti ne to aba ma wo but de nti a ye to aba ma wo ne ye nim ye problems a ye wo a ye susu se wo won sen kan ye ne wo ne ye bi nti wo betumi asolve ama ye ene ye gina so de to aba ma wo no wa be ye MP wa be ye president enti unya be ye president be ye MP na there's no time for complaining. I mean time now we see our complaining no kura sebe o de tena se kura take key steps say we dey solve problem na enka ye you see enra na ye program bi na opani ba ko kasa o ase no we say complaining is part of the problem. It you complaining no we say waste time ama time wasting no so asa be ye problem ama de enka so provide the solution and so he shouldn't waste time complaining. We need action this time. Waba criminally handled Ghana for nyina. And so of course when sectors are criminally handled, when omo are implicated, why not listen them, quietly go after them? Because en Obama State of the Nation address Ghana for onya mekan ekura yenim dada yenim the state of Ghana right now. And anu labor if we no omko transi mampani minim your own president me hu se biasida say omko negotiation say who the president himself even prime minister for employment ya no tama but this one the president the minister everyone was there for the negotiations telling you say who already say you partake in every decision making enti ehun hia say obabon be complain bebre who say you will be a different Mahama so yes rew waba tenase be a different Mahama. We don't want to see Mahama Akufo-Addo type which complains bibiba Russia Ukraine bibiba we Ghana for any problems ni nyina. We just want you to provide solutions. Oh me buy no me who ABCD there when ye we nko ha we nko. That is what we want to there we boy and say match ba be complaining there me tie complaining na wo abedi manim so complaining there na ne ekon ne ye den ko ni akokon. And so we need to advise this particular government say adia Ghana for chiri say wo say be announce wo problems sa ade ache wo nim dada enunti no mu pia wo de kotena ho. It is a person be announcement of their problems and they are tired of even hearing their own problems. Wo say remind wo kura ya wo enti wo hwe no nya adwuma no nya say wo be kana problem we na say yenim dada enunti na ban say saya ba they should work and then do things better for us. Nana of course, Oma Shasie. Now so far, me who say ebia yabeka say asimesi apart from special prosecutor the ya or diba ya reke no furiata be ya no. And yabeka will be a suspect. And as ye buni say bibia koso na kachi a ye ko rimu a yenyensi ni pise bia nipa no wadi bibi eye suspect. Into oba no obeyi no ho ano no mde tutu nsuani ani a na afi se be court wo mbe hwehwem na afi atemuafo de atudwane ehu se wei aye wei ni so far de enim aye kenovoriata de abaya wo ma listed de a kire se onu nti ye frɛ no enti criminally handled no ekwa akwakosi hinfa. We are expecting say state of the nation's address or de ba no omo ehu ba bia that criminalities no ewo any ade na emo abi so wa kire a yetumi e de aboa no but the complaints no we don't want it anymore. We are complaints previous government and I say and I doom so and the high and the DBC and Russia Ukraine. We are tired of complaints.
In fact